Everyone's heard of ChatGPT's, but few know what actually makes it work. It's called an LLM, a large language model. And it may be changing more than just technology. Could it replace our jobs? Can it even tell truth from fiction? Let's break down what an LLM really is, how it works, and where its limits begin. A large language model is a type of neural network trained on massive amounts of text, books, websites, and code. Its goal is simple but powerful. Predict the next word in a sentence again and again until it learns the patterns of human language. Instead of memorizing facts, it absorbs relationships between words, grammar, and meaning. That's how it can write essays, summarize reports, or explain quantum physics, even if it doesn't truly understand them. Think of every word you type as a number called a token. The model learns how billions of tokens connect, forming a map of how humans express ideas. After months of training on thousands of GPUs, the model can generate new sentences from scratch. In short, it's like autocorrect on steroids. But instead of fixing typos, it can draft a novel or solve a math problem. These systems have evolved fast, from GPT-1 in 2018 to GPT-5 today, each leap trained on more data, more context, and more human feedback. And then came the moment that changed everything. In November 2022, OpenAI launched ChatGPT. For the first time, anyone could talk directly with an LLM. No coding, no jargon, just conversation. Within 2 months, ChatGPT hit 100 million users, the fastest adoption of any software in history. That single launch pushed LLMs from research labs into everyday life. So, is an LLM actually AI? Technically, yes. It performs tasks that require intelligence, writing, reasoning, answering questions. But it's also fair to see it as the language layer of a much larger system. It doesn't perceive the world or take actions on its own. It connects humans to deeper tools: search, logic engines, and memory. Think of it as the voice of modern AI, translating your words into machine instructions and back again. The real AI today is the ecosystem around it: the chain of agents, retrieval tools, and models that use the LLM as their brain's language cortex. LLMs don't think, and they don't know truth, or even prefer it. Their only instinct is probability, predicting the next most likely word. If the truth sounds likely, they'll say it. If a falsehood sounds more natural, they'll say that too. They're not truth-seeking. They're pattern-seeking. Still, by giving machines the ability to speak our language, LLMs have become the most disruptive technology since the internet itself. They've rewritten how we code, research, and even argue online, often faster than society can adapt. So, what does this mean for us? Every technology shift reshapes who holds power, and LLMs are no different. Before this, expertise lived in code, math, and science, the STEM world. Now the new power skill is language, how precisely you can describe what you want. The better your prompt, the better your results. In the age of AI, clarity is the new code. Will it replace jobs? Some, yes, but mostly it's changing what work looks like. Instead of replacing experts, it's giving everyone a layer of expert assistance, available on demand. The challenge isn't just keeping up with AI, but learning how to speak its language. Because now, the person who communicates best, not the one who codes best, may have the real advantage. And behind that shift and from code to language, well, stands one figure who saw it coming early: Sam Altman, the man who turned human conversation into the new programming interface. In our next video, we'll ask, who is he? Visionary builder or the gatekeeper of tomorrow's AI? Follow Evidentive for facts, context clarity,